Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this video. This is the card I have to share with you today. It's actually a twisted easel card, as you can see here. It'll stand up just like that. You can see. You just need to make sure you've got yours scored, or you can put a little stopper in if you want, but there you go. A twisted easel card. So let me show you what I did. We have here a piece of fresh freesia cardstock. Now this is just half an A4 sheet, so you take an A4 sheet, you cut it in half on the long side. That basically means you're going to cut it at 14.85 centimeters on the long side. Okay. Once you've done that, we're going to score it in half, again on the long side, at 10.5 centimeters. So it just makes a normal card base. Okay, and then let's just get our bone folder and score that like that. So we have our standard card base. So now on the front we're going to want to score from this corner to your score line. So you're going to want to score from there to there, right across. So I find this easier to do in my trimmer. Just line everything up as best you can. And just score. Okay, so on the front you're going to score from your score line point to point, and this is what's going to allow your easel to stand up like that. Okay, just like that. So then you're going to want to cut another piece of fresh freesia cardstock, and this piece is going to measure 10.5 centimeters by 14.85 centimeters, so exactly a quarter sheet of your A4. Okay, and then onto that I'm going to stick a piece here of our designer series paper, and let me see which one this is. This is the Favorite Flowers designer series paper, and you need to have a piece here that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. So I'm just going to check that. All the measurements will be on your sheets or on the blog post, so don't worry about that. So we want it to be 14.35 centimeters by 10. So I'm just cutting that down to make it that size. Isn't it pretty paper though? It's lovely florals. So now I'm just going to stick this to this. So okay, just going to stick one to the other just like that. And now we're going to stick this straight onto our card front. I'm going to use some Tombow for this, because I just find it easier. And you just want to put glue from this diagonal score line to this edge. So I'm actually going to get my silicone mat out just in case I make a mess, which is not unheard of. I'm just going to put some glue along here, and by putting it on the base I know I'm getting it in the right place, and I won't have glue where I don't want it. Okay, And then I'm just going to line my base, my top piece up with my base so that they are all lined up and all nice and straight, and give it a press down. And then use my bone folder, reinforce everything, and then you'll see you're going to have your twisted easel. So let me just reinforce all these lines. You need to have a good crisp fold, and then your easel will stand up like that. Okay, just like that. Now on the inside I'm going to put a piece of basic white as an insert, and I've cut this piece to measure 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters, so it's a standard mat size, like that. And then your piece can stand up as a twist, like that. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of decoration on the front, not a lot, because I think this paper is just so pretty, it doesn't need a lot. You could add a little piece along here, but I'm just going to add a sentiment, which will be happy birthday. And the sentiment I'm going to use is this one from Go To Greetings. I'm going to use happy birthday. So here we are, happy birthday. Get my block and just put this on the block, and then I need fresh freesia ink, so I'm just going to look for that. Here it is, a scrap of basic white, and then I am going to stamp this somewhere other, like that. So, happy birthday. Close this up, clean off our stamp, okay, and then we're just going to cut this down, and I'm actually going to be using this punch called the Happy Labels Pick a Punch, and it's a new punch, and you can see you can punch at 3 different widths, and I'm just going to check what the widths are so I can tell you. So just need to find my ruler, which is hiding. Here it is. Excuse my stupidity. 1 inch, and then the next one is 3/4 of an inch, and the next one 1/2 an inch. So I think I'm going to cut this down to be 1 inch wide. So let's see, if we cut it to be 1 inch wide, we need to cut a little bit off the base. There we go. And now 1 inch. There we are. And I don't think I want such to be that long, so I'm just going to cut off a little bit off each end. That's fine. It'll be roughly okay. Sometimes you can spend so much time faffing, it gets you nowhere. Okay. So let's get our labels, and you can see you've got the 2 different endings here. I think I'm going to use this one actually here, and just punch. And you can see you just get this little effect at the edges. So cute. Okay, so bring back our sentiment here, and I think this time I'm going to pop this up. So we use what's left of my edges here. To pop this up. So that's one sheet of dimensions finished. I'm just going to check I don't have any more edges, which I don't. So we'll use some from here. I find my edges so useful for strips like this. Okay. Okay. And then just going to put that there. Okay, and that's your twisted easel card, as you can see. It just twists up and then folds back down. And you could put a little stopper if you want there. If you want something to stop it, you could put a little flower, anything like that, as a stopper as well. I haven't left, I've just left it blank for now, but yeah, you could easily do that. Or we could do, where was that? See here, I had a piece left over. You could use this as a stopper as well. So if you consider here, this would be your stopper. You could use that there to decorate and have it as a stopper as well. I've just left it blank. As I said, if you have it folded properly, it will stand up without the stopper, just like that. So I hope you liked the card. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the project, the measurements, the supply list, etc., it's all on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.